I picked this up for an extra battery, and while I'm doing the unboxing, I'll play the details.
Some info on item. Mavic Mini Intelligent Flight Battery 2400 mAh Replacement Spare Battery Drone Accessory by DJi 06022020. Cost $47.69. Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/gp/b07r5773rs ref=pp_x_d__s_0 Brand DJi item weight 4.32 ounces battery weight 3.84 ounces About this item The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. The Mavic Mini Intelligent Flight Battery provides a maximum flight time of 30 minutes, with a built-in intelligent battery management system. Battery status is monitored and reported in real time, allowing you to focus less on power levels and more on flying. Should only be used with a Mavic Mini. Model MB2-2400 mAh 7.2 V. Rated capacity 2400 mAh. Battery type Li-ion 2S. Rated voltage 7.2 V. Limited charge voltage 8.4 V. Max charging power 24 W. Charging temperature 5 degrees to 40 degrees C, 41 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. In the box, Intelligent Flight Battery X1. Product description Mavic Mini Intelligent Flight Battery 2400 mAh Replacement Spare Battery Drone Accessory. Product information Product dimensions 3.54 x 1.65 x 2.36 inches Item weight 4.3 ounces Austin B07R 5773 RS Item model number CPMA 0000013501 Batteries 1 lithium polymer batteries required, included. Customer reviews 4.6 out of 5 stars 87 ratings 4.6 out of 5 stars Date first available November 3, 2019 Manufacturer DJi.
I'm doing my, I guess it's, what is it, the maiden flight of my drone. So while I do the maiden flight, I will be also discussing some of the accessories I purchased for the Mavic. Again, I'm no expert, no way, shape, or form. This is my, I think, fifth or sixth drone, and I lost 2 of them. One went up and never came down. I think a bird came by and decided that it was food and took it out. The other one I lost, I think, in trees. I can't find it at all. So I'm going to first test the legs to see how they work and the drone flight. These are the legs I put on. They're from B&H. I'm going to be opening it up. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me bring this out. Bring this out. Opening this up. Opening this up. And these are, oh, gotta open the legs too. So it's off the ground. Clips into place, and I'll be flying the drone with those. I have a battery in there already. Let me put my GPS. I've done a video on this, track them up. You can look them up on my channel. These are just lanyards I put on to make sure they stay in place, but I also have Velcro underneath to put it here. I use this to charge. So let me make sure it stays in place, and I'm probably gonna use, I'm gonna use the blue lanyard. I don't know, I'm gonna have to take this out. I put it on sticky, but it's sticking out too much. I think this should be strong enough. All right, I like this because it's easy to set up. So what I'll do is bring it to here. Okay, have it underneath there, and tie it down well, and tie this and put the Velcro. Now it's perfect. I usually have a light that I put also. I'm not gonna use that right now. This actually, I don't even see any room for this, but this light here, you see it from afar, and I don't think it's gonna work with this drone. I'm gonna have to get another smaller light, but I have the GPS. Let me turn it on. Let me turn everything on and get everything going. So that was the maiden voyage of the first flight, and I just want to cover a few things in regards to the first flight. The leg extenders worked really well, but again, as you can see at the end, I'll show the video that I took. The leg extenders are not high enough. You still get the grassy area, which is, it's kind of messed up. So I'm gonna have to bring, I have a landing pad, and or I can use that foam right there, which I carry with me in the case, and I'll put it on there if I'm in a grassy area. That's what I was hoping to prevent, but it would probably been even worse with without the legs. So it was giving me an error that the camera was not able to move freely on the floor. So it's got to do its own moving and everything when it's on and getting ready to take off. So that was being prevented by the grass. That's why I had to put a piece of cardboard underneath, but I'll probably be putting something underneath, but it's, I guess, better than nothing. The battery, that's the backup battery I purchased, works just fine, no issues whatsoever. Battery working fine. The propellers, I replaced all the propellers with the replacement ones just to make sure they're the same type of propellers and everything's working just fine, and same propellers, everything's working just fine. Now I'm gonna try the float landing gear. There's gonna be a separate video, but I'm just mentioning it here towards the end. At the end of the video, you'll see how I took off with this my first maiden voyage. I just went up and down and turned around a little bit so that you can get an idea on how all the items worked within the actual Mavic Mini. I'm going to continue 2 videos, which is going to be finishing off the float landing video. I'll be doing a separate video on that, and I'm going to be finishing off the video. This is not the end of my review or how I feel about the Mavic Mini. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm a regular guy who goes in and buys gadgets, and I like them. I tried them out. I'm layman, regular, normal guy. No expert at all. I don't act like one. I don't think I'm one. I'm just a regular guy. Try to get things working. I love taking pictures and videos, and that's it. So I'm just sharing that with you. If you're a normal person, you know, you can relate to me. Anyone else, if they might be too advanced for this video, I'm sorry about that, but I'm just not an advanced guy. Regular, normal guy. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.